Welcome back to Coloring Book TV. You know, say a puppy dan. You know, say we're there with a brand new movie. I know, say on the Sidechick the people. You know, they wanna call Sidechick drama. So people, you just watch the movie at the end. Like, share, comment, and tell them about Coloring Book TV. Call Coloring Book TV. I do it right. The people, you just comment on the honest opinion and we know what you like about the movie and what you like. And remember, part 2 foul. Big up everybody who play them part of the movie. Coloring Book TV for the people, only for the people. Yes, hurry up here. Marina,
Say I heard Mr. Fa.
I say the woman can't soon come in.
I'm not a fan. Come now, more.
No, babes, hold on, man. Mama can't soon come. You want good enough?
She not come for now, I not care about that. Remember say,
you have no credit.
Remember not come for now neither now, so I not care about that. Come.
No, hold on, man. I don't mean like you, you know. You saw me I deal with you good as a side girl. And you go on.
Me no want to be no side girl anymore. Right. I want to be a wife. Me no want to be no side girl. And a matter of fact, don't let me talk, you know. Me will tell a woman, you know. Me don't want to be no more side girl.
Over a month on me you talk, you know. Me book you one party. My sister you alone in a party and my sister you like you want a new girl from me. When I come from out the community, I move to you, I buy you 2 liquor. It started as a friend. And I cheat for my woman, also you cheat for your man.
I like it though?
I love it.
Oh.
I love it. I can't hide about it. But some things I not love. But I tell you something. You see you now, you're a nice girl. And you can drive, you know, you can dash good too. But you can't want move from side girl to wife. You see wife, you come in a lot of things. Alright, look for example, you straighten up your ear, you go in the bathroom and hold a shower. You need to spread up your bed where we just done mash up. You see me? At them the thing that you can't graduate yourself from a side chick to a wife. And me have to graduate you and me have to tell you when you upgrade. You understand what I say?
I understand what I say now. But me I say to you now. Me can't be no more side girl for you. Yeah, so anything or anything, listen to me. Me chat you now.
Babe, listen up. Oh. Here's one next round. Alright, you want know. You want know tomorrow. So you will come earlier here. Yeah. Just go and do that the same way. For this comb, you go and brush up your ear.
You just know. Oh, we get in a mile cover and door.
Matter of fact, your man will soon come.
My man?
Yeah. Your boyfriend, man.
Me don't even sure what time I come, you know.
What you mean?
Me not sure what time I come, but anyways. Me and him are on good terms, you know.
What you talking about?
Me and my man are on good terms, and that's how we come down here, so. You understand? And a matter of fact, too, he's very familiar with the place.
So hold on, another come from?
No. We're not on good terms, so we just come down here so and see if we can catch back things together, but I know down here so we come from.
So hold on, you no come from down here, but your man come from down here. So your man will leave and go one place and book you one place and not work out on a relationship good enough, problem in a relationship, so you come back down here so if you see if you can work out. And you book me now and I treat you good.
Yeah,
and you want to graduate.
Good.
You want to graduate from side to wife.
Let me tell you something. You see how you treat me good? Don't play with me. Me a mad somebody and me will chat. So stop from side girl because I don't want to be no more side girl and I don't talk. And no matter of fact, me I go over too.
But hold on there, before you left. You know say people graduate. And when you graduate to better. You look on the side, look for it. All movement comb I use.
I'm supposed to use it, what you talk about?
Yeah, and you tell me say you have a chat. So me ask you a question now. When you talk now, and the dolly house mash up now, me sure so me can fix back my woman dolly house, but me not sure about me, you know.
Me not care what you want to say. You are going to move me from side chick to wife. And me don't tell you already, me will talk, me a mad somebody.
Come here, let me tell you something. Is it true you look well and big it tight? I think about it. But you see, in the meanwhile, just study and just look in a book or YouTube and see what values
Anyways.
my wife have. And then you can study it here.
Anyways, my man then I want like a weed business there now.
Where your man rich?
You don't talk about rich. No worry about that. My man then I want like a
How
weed
you plan
business.
regular weed or kush?
Kush.
Jesus Christ. So you can't get some weed, can give me money?
Me think about it. Just like how you have to think about it, me think about it.
God. I go and put up the bed where you can do later.
Oh, alright.
But know where we are already.
Are you supposed to spread you?
Oh God, I want me to take up on myself. Me and woman I live good. And book a friend and a friend. Turn to more friend. Now we got on a social, now we got on intimate. Now, me I get threatened, say my life can mash up because me a 3 side girl good. Then say, boy, a man always pick up a woman and treat them better more than treat them wife for their yard. Jesus Christ. I know the worst thing about him, we can't left him. Because him have smell of a syrup, me have to write it or lemonade. Every time I go down there to Jesus Christ with the knife and the saw. Jesus Christ. I go and think the girl can't wash, he can't cook, he can't spread up bed, he can't spit pan your liquor off the back. And you want graduate. Eh? You want graduate. You want graduate to wife. Stand on the side. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, boy. Boy. It's a side girl, I want to tell us everything about him tight. Jesus Christ. The man don't come smell nothing.
Bro, I can't bother with them style and you. This a girl and nobody done it. So what she figure? Which part she figure? I come here and I can't see her. Which part you come from? Which part you come from? Come here, so I talk to you, because I don't like when people hear my business. Come over here, so where you come from?
Them style I don't like today, no.
What kind of style? Which part you come from?
So why you behave so?
What you mean me I feel behave so? Where you come
You
from?
go and try like me afraid of you. Where the
You know why
behave
you're
so far?
afraid of me, babe?
Babes, me take a little walk out the road.
Walk with
Get
the
some
what?
fresh air.
So I want to on the veranda, want to in the yard, babe.
Like seriously?
Of course.
Veranda, so me can walk and catch a little fresh air again.
Alright, listen up. So me I come from work, right? Me stop in my town. Me I try, not even try, me I call on your phone. Cause me know say you no cook. So me I call if you ask you say what you want to eat. If you want burger, cause me know them the style you love and me not get your phone. When me do come here, me see your phone in there up on the bed. What kind of style? You go up on the road and you left your phone on the bed.
That fish way, so me just take a little walk, go catch a little fresh air. Here. I gotta go on some.
What you smell so?
Smell how? Smell how?
B, me not tell you, me not like the smell. I just kind of smell like funky.
Remember say me hear you do something this morning. I'm gonna go take a little walk out on the road.
No say so man. So baby, I tell me say from morning.
I know
you
from
wash off. Why excuse you tell me from morning, B?
Yeah, just relax
I
yourself.
them a set style I will catch up, I will left from Green Island and come here, you know.
So what you do? I tell you what, tell me some stink.
No, babe, you don't stink, you just have a little touch.
Oh, you're lucky.
Babe, just calm down yourself. Just calm down yourself, please. Because you know say I love you and everything and you control my heart. I have a key feet. I'm not talking about bully beef key. Just calm down yourself. Oh my God. What do you say you want to eat?
Chicken and rice and peas.
So I have to go back on the road to go buy that then.
Yeah.
I have to catch water. Alright then, know yourself. Anything for you, baby. So I get the job them and ask something. What gonna be? What gonna be? Do something, man. What make up back things?
No beers.
Pull the lace we can buy.
No beers. I'm tired of now. Remember see you drain me from this morning now. Plus, You look son when I go to work so a while ago, I'm tired, man.
You know, so you always have excuse.
Tonight.
I quarrel, me have to quarrel this morning for things happening, you know. Alright, I'll catch you water. The sun has fit through.
Alright.
I know you're not grown. My slim as.
Alright, what am I doing here?
Babe, wake up.
Babes,
I want to you. I can't sleep no more time.
I'm tired, babes. Chew your gun and sitting and the place bored me just asleep.
No man, you look extra tired. You get on her. Different from the work when I know and say I do. On the road, they go busting.
You got no work on my work last night.
Me?
Be aware you talk about. Are you me a talk? Are you me a talk, babes?
You look like you have some memory loss or something. Babes,
Yes, babes.
I know last night we do anything, you know. It's the night before. So mind yourself, be careful.
Babes, I sleep. I must say you just gonna wake me, you know. I must say I sleep, you know.
Anyway, figure out that.
Yeah,
How come mother me I come from? Remember saying no, me gone from man, me I come straight from man, the room. Man, stop.
Hey! You come from Candyville. You come from where? Candyville.
No, guess what? Me figure say show one man me they talk to. Me fi say girl devil. But me a woman. So me go say man devil.
Me not like you, but alright.
So you act like I say man devil take off your woman. Me come back, me just go look for my mother and she say hi.
Not your problem.
You feel hot man, you did already?
Baby, I flew. I miss her, so I catch flu.
Oh.
That's good. God, baby. So if you take long to go in your jeans, eh?
How my bed pull up so?
Then babes.
On the carpet. Pull up.
Babes. My mama
Every
said.
time you babes, when you use the babes thing upon me, you know. You go off, you call me right name, you know. You go off, you say Poochie for now. If you can't explain yourself, why the bed?
No. Poaching. In here, so I'm asleep before. Because I'm saying I also I'm in here, lie down, asleep. So I understand. So I get a little phone call and I get up and go to the door and go jump asleep again.
Alright, that's one excuse for the bed pull up. Because I know when you're alone and sleep on the bed, you're not supposed to look so like you're somebody when they do some ramping shop or something funny, you know. But it's alright, make it stay. I don't want to judge wrongfully. Why the place smells so?
Well, to be honest, on the bed pull up, ramping shop, because I'm not babes. You know, say, all of you underpants.
You notice they put on this because I don't want to see lie them and come out of your dirty stupid tongue.
I'm telling a lie, my underpants when me have a nightmare last night because I just a dream boy and think about you. I just say bed pull up so. But when you say smell, what smell so babes?
What smell so you did there? Tell me what could smell like this?
Oh, I must say you bring up a juice and give me before you go in. So maybe when I sleep, maybe just a fart on the place or maybe I more on the place.
And I nothing stink me smell.
How you smell?
This smell different.
No man, I'm only saying to man fart, poop. Look up, babe, me can't buy the carrot juice and I think I when I forgot work. Me can't bother with it. You know how much time I that work and see me? And then he does, me can't bother.
You feel so you can't just give me pill all the while and me just take it. But everything alright. Let me tell you something. One day, me don't want you nothing about your BS, baby. Everything good. Me not quarrel enough.
Me assure you say me not do nothing. Because if me not do nothing, I'm tired. You understand? You ready?
Did I do something you're tired?
Yeah.
No, me feed you whole heap of cow skin and cow food. None bother with it. I pay them sitting there and chang back and everything me your ass stallion and muzzle your man there sitting there. You can't tell me nothing. You will do a 3-4 rounds one time.
Say I do not know about girl Liville. Me not think that.
And this morning me go look for my mother because she did say she have flu.
Matter of fact, we there argue. Oh, my mother. Mistake.
She kind of come on. Me think I sit more rest of the that to her. A flu she catch.
A flu in catch?
Because she did go river then see her rain catch them pan the way so.
It changed the climate, not true. Jesus Christ.
And you know, me not like books too. Me not like books.
Feel me. You know miss me. I had me at fear. You know.
Oh, you had fear?
For you. You know miss me.
Right now, me tired. This is Sportry Hill when you go Mandeville. Me not like go up on the hill because it can't up me ears. Different climate.
Babes on a run go over hill. I must say, you know.
No, but me ears always can't up anytime when I go up that hill there. Too much of the wind, different climate. Me not, you see, next time, I'll have my mother, me talk to her on phone. You go look for her, your mother-in-law. Me not go back. And me not understanding kind of, you think you can tell me out. Me just give you a chance, you know, but me know. Redundant, me don't catch you, no worry yourself. And people they tell me about your friend other day, you know.
What you want to say?
No worry yourself.
Hey, you know me realize.
I like prove things to myself.
You know me realize when me out the road a boss. Oh, me love my woman. Then I can't tell her that, you know.
No, then tell me.
Then tell her.
And me love you too, and me tell them so me love you too.
So why do you have to tell her negative?
So you think that my friend them, my real article down to earth friend them, bonafide friend. Me and them a bench and Batty go see you do things and not take time pinch me tell you.
One if you tell you, you know why? Because you not go see me I do nothing if you can't tell you.
You hide and do it, so then I go see you.
Me not go hide and do it because me not have nothing to do, babes.
Me not come for going in an argument with them.
You're gonna Mandeville, you're gonna Galville and me sleep in the bed, me poop, the bed molly, me get up, me go to some job sleep in the city and me come back boy, me thank God your mother alright, you know. You not hug him up for me?
Me hug her up, me not hug him up. My mother no man.
Babe, what kind of eye that you give me if you come give me a son like?
No, me not bother, me not like his scent when me say this a smell like a one new girl scent.
Babes.
Remember say me catch up with woman already, you know. And me give her a chance, you know. Me pardon you, you know. Me pardon you, you know. You ask me to forgive you, you know.
5 years ago that, you know.
Me no business, me accept
change,
your
you know.
apology.
Me change.
You change.
Yeah, alright, babes, when my phone even ring, enough time my phone ring and I say, babes, answer my phone.
You know the reason why me talk so long about this situation and this pull up bed and this smell bad place? Because what you do already 5 years ago, me glad to see you member. Me still not trust you, me forgive you, but me don't trust you. But everything good.
Me
you
know
see
you don't trust me,
in
you
the
know.
dark?
That become in your light.
Amen. Finish it.
Babes, me know you don't trust me. I watch you now, I'm my fault. But me every day me a work on you. Every day me a work. Sorry, gas mask.
Why is just so and so?
I fought, babes.
So make feel belly a go on so.
Babes,
you rate a roll.
Carrot juice, me give me blend up juice. Me I tell you.
Jesus!
Sorry, babes. I tell you, so me I sleep and just in my bed, I been smell some molly, babes.
You want go use the bathroom?
No.
You sure?
No, babes, me good.
You smell stink, man.
It stink, which you, babes.
No, it looks fun. That smell like you want shit.
Stink.
Go on a bathroom. Go on.
Me no want to go bathroom, babes.
Why? Them the fart, they smell like you want shit. Me not even want your neighbor in here. Anyway, you want good man, you know. You want good man. Me kinda trust you, but me not trust you fully. You want good man still. So me take care of your cook and give you all out. But them a food when me they give you master. If I so it make you put see there, one go shit. Long time you know say your intestine now work good. Oh God. Then me and you feel sleep all tonight. No, you bust them the fart upon me. Now then me didn't drop off of the bed. Oh Jesus, no sir.
Babe, come back and jump in.
One little jug here, go on so.
I want you to come and show me some water, come back and wear a try for me jump in me.
See, I can't fill up them. You will fill up the next turn.
You never say me can't fool me, but you must can't come help. See that, see me full up somewhere, like some of them are coming to go already. Yo, my general. Alright, I thought on the front, come pick me up. Alright, I'm far. See people in comments so they follow them.
Alright, go on.
People just full up with the research of them.
Yeah.
I mean, I go, where you want to eat and I come back. Or you're not sure.
I'm not sure, you call.
It's beautiful. You know, like when me get up every day and coffee, you know. That's why I make sure so I come down here. So if I up there so I cross it or up there so just curry with me. Because sometimes I say in your own community you can't strive. So that's why I come down here for me if me and you see if we can build something different. Baby, I drive me crazy and I can't. Just for me if you just blend up good. Come in also kind of look good.
Alright, I get late.
So we can talk to you.
Later on, talk to me, go on.
Then the attitude will be be later.
Babes, I'll chew my rubber for my catch up asleep. Babes. You want to sleep or what are you?
No, I'm alright.
I comfort you like it?
I'm not sleep.
I comfort you like.
Me asleep, me not sleep.
You're not sleep, you comfort you make you fall asleep. Just like how me have a good man say just fall for me. So I just that. Watch the same thing.
Oh, they just say I look cook.
I dream I look well, babes.
No,
Yeah, babe, me can cook if you want, me can cook. I want some, me can cook, you know, babes.
Oh,
Spaghetti and macaroni and tin mackerel.
that alone?
Yeah, that alone you teach me.
Good.
I'm learning. Alright,
That feel nice. I can do it next one.
you want to add him
Later, you do it next one.
later?
Mm.
I know some me can try to look out some rice porridge.
I like that one day. But you do plantain porridge with peanut.
Plantain porridge.
Green plantain. How much time we make that?
I want
here?
some crab porridge.
Just Christ. I did the one me did. That can make porridge.
You never drink the crab porridge?
No one drink that.
You blend with the oats.
Nobody give me that. You want drink it when you
But
make
when you drink that still, when you drink that you have to just have some money to go that cause experience.
You know hear your phone ring and make an answer.
Father,
Hello?
why pray me G?
One baby.
You know some there man, wait up on me killer.
I know somebody out there. How we are talk to so?
Bad dog, watch the man, me a come link you my friend man. Cause my man like people in yard, you know bad dog. A matter of fact, me I'll rub the woman foot when you kill all my energy. Alright.
Hey, police friend. You're bridging up your road.
Thief in police friend. You know so
Why you
long
always
time.
the call every time?
Adapt me I say, but me I want if I have money I give me. You know saying always I take away people in bike. And when you take away people in bike, now me use link the people. And I pay 2,000 and give me back.
No make nobody use you.
Me top.
Any give you number 2,000 and give him back.
Me top I last time.
Them say man dead for you.
I will find out how I want.
Right here.
Hold on, me make it.
Hold on there. You sure say one man and call you or one woman?
No, why? Me tell him, if you not come in here, kind of like people here, you know how way I come
So give me a phone that if he call you back, me can answer it for you.
No, if he now come back, after me tell him, say me I come, he knows, say me not tell no lie.
Oh, alright then.
Yo, Mario!
Oi. How we are chat this up?
I'm a general.
We are chat this up on the phone.
Come to you.
Let me tell you something.
Come to you now.
Let me tell you something. You see when you talk to me, don't talk to me like another little dirty foot friend I'm out the road I chat to here. We are called General. I'm bad dog.
You know me general. You know me bad dog. Eh?
Oh, so me have 4 foot now. Me a dog.
No baby, but watch you now. You say anytime you get together and we're in a bedroom one-on-one. When you do some boom, rare.
Anyways, my name tell us me I come up your yard.
What the fuck? You come up on me yard. How you know me live? Eh? You come like you just stuck on me, so. Like me like the fact that you stuck on me, you know. But sometimes you have to ease off, you know. Cause me have somebody who stuck on me before you stuck on me, you know.
Listen
A matter of fact, you know have somebody.
Me Listen to me. Remember say me want to see you every day. Every day enough to pass.
In church no keep every day. In church keep Sunday, Saturday and fasting or Wednesday day. Remember say rest of the day if you want to church, you know.
So me ask a question. This is like a church?
No, not church.
A church, me I keep?
No, I try to show you say me not keep church, but you can't see me every day. If you see me every day, I may link up every day. Every day we go. You know? And then when we go home now, I pop down, I'm tired.
You're supposed to pop down and me your fair service. And a matter of fact, what you say? What you say I go on?
Oh, yeah, move so babes, you know, call me this man already, I'm tell you something I can link you.
Alright, me can get up. Excuse.
Where you go?
I tell you
What, come here, baby, come here,
Come
man.
me a mad
Come here, man, oh, yeah, move so man.
If me can get you, she can get you. Out harder.
Come on, tie with me now, no, care beat you. Oh, God, man. I'm to you. Oh, your spirit salt, oh, your some blood salt.
Don't play with me now.
Come on, baby, man. Just cool, man. Do it again.
Don't play with me.
Cool, man. Just cool, man. I am move, so I want to your blood salt. Your blood salt. Calm down, baby, man. I want
Listen to me. You should trouble your fire.
You know, see, you
should light you up. Cannot even water can out this fire right now.
I don't like how your fire hot, you know. I don't like how your fire hot. You go on like you want to burn me. If you burn now, you will get burned. Now you move so calm.
Anyways, we are say Karen, no more want to, you know, so.
Baby, you want me every day, but me I say, I know say you can't get me now, but you can't get me right now at this moment. Come here and tell us some more over yard. So I don't know you have a workout.
So maybe you go over there.
Over way. Over way.
Over your yard. Send her go buy something.
Where you still look wild?
Me and you go over your yard. Send her go buy something. Let me tell you something. You know. You see, if your woman head mad, feel me madder. So I don't know where you come at. What you say? What you say?
Babes, you want me to say now? Feel me woman head mad. And so far, fear head mad. So when two head lick up now, we're mad. Two chuck lick up now. What go on now? Fear head hot, I'm a woman head hot. One to when collide and crash. You know go right off. Who me I go run to? Me not have nobody front to me. No want to lose it to her. Baby, calm down, man.
We not right off. Anybody feel right off or she? Can nobody not right off me.
Let me tell you something now. This is what I say now. Yeah, you me say now, baby. Let me tell you something now. You are going now. I'm going to buy you to blend up juice, man. I'll make me a pop tea, but I'm going to buy you to blend up juice, man. You me a work out upon. So listen now. Because I know you are one bright girl, you know. If mama tap buy you to blend up juice, at 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, me I go forward in your jungle. And then you go run me and move on. You have to smart, you know. As a side woman, you have to smart. Make mama blend up the juice, them.
You see that kind of side woman?
Alright, listen now. I road you there now, so we have to say side woman. But you're not side woman, you know. You get what me I say? You're this. But you're no side woman, you know. You know what I mean? You get what me I say? Where man? You go over for your yard. Where man?
In Ghana work.
In Ghana work?
Yeah.
You ready to go over your yard? Go on, baby.
Babe, come, you don't see nobody out there.
Babe, go on, look, man.
Clear.
Babe, go make a look again, no babes. Look again, no man.
You don't see nobody. How you want me to do? Where want me to walk away with this and go look at me see nobody? So.
Yeah. You call me, call you here.
Why you go and check me later?
Jesus Christ, man. Babes, me come check you when me can check you.
Listen to
me. Call me.
Listen to me. Remember say I'm a key now.
Which key you talk about?
Remember say I'm a key.
Which key you talk about?
So if I can hide and come out, that would be great. But make sure say me see you back later.
Oi.
Right, I say you come.
Oi. If you behave yourself, you know. If you want, you can behave yourself, you know. Come here, you like it, you know.
Oi, come like say lick all for your chip too.
What you talk about?
Me say me will come down there so come mash up everything now.
Jesus
so listen to me.
But we can't lose a chip one.
So later.
You don't like the milk. You know like the milk up much.
Listen to me, don't play with me.
You don't like the milk.
But don't play with me.
You can't look a joke, man. I want to you, man.
I may come down here and come mash up everything. Remember, say I may have a key for you.
Listen, man, man. You see where you're nice. Anytime you get serious, you're nice, you know. Look where you're nice. I'm a tough fan. Your man out there.
You see, same like how I have a key for you, and some have a key for him. Don't worry about him. Come you come down there so come mash up everything.
Hey, look on.
Make sure me see you later.
Look on. Later here. You don't want it, you know. You don't want it. Babes, Poche, you have to sleep? Babes, look here. The police boy, same thing what you talk about. 132,000 like man give me. 132,000 like man give me. Just like what you said. 132,000 like give me.
So you take your friend him from?
Me not take him, care if I can show you.
Care about go game.
In gone.
Call him, you have his number.
In
not price his money, not take
in
no.
there. The man here is a police said. In a jeep in
So you want to put his phone on speaker and he that
no,
thinks it's you?
If he say me I call him through the business, he not go answer. But me just care if I can show you.
But we'll keep you and give him back
later. Me give me look more.
You don't want him in here. Across his
I
money.
put it right there, sir.
So you push it down for your pocket?
No, cause if me put it down, me not remember it, but if me put it in my pocket, me remember it.
Remember if you take it out, because when I wash your clothes, me a dash away.
1,000, 2,000, me don't want it. He's a tired man. Tired, you know. I bus drive.
Be a man, be the man too long.
Cha-cha, out. So where you going to eat?
Me no want nothing with that $2,000 a day. Okay.
No, me not use it, me not use it.
You can cook something like, you can cook some jasmine rice and some shrimp. Curry shrimp.
Well, me going to take out 1,000 in a room and go buy something then, because you don't want me use that 2,000.
Me
can't use that 2,000 and then put it back.
Me have some seasoning already, and me have the rice, just get the shrimp and come.
Get the shrimp?
Yeah.
I'll take out the money then.
I want pack of curry.
So you use that 2,000 and put it back?
Me no,
Alright.
say me no want to use it, come like him down here.
Alright, me here.
Me don't know where that there's somebody they get it from, come here, me don't know where you get it from, you say whosoever. And me want to sleep your way, me tell me about your idiot, tell me your money. Me don't want the money for use. Now wake me up again, man.
Yeah. Saying I'm full of the pocket, I'm telling you full up. I ain't feeling it up and finna.
Me just tell you this, you know.
What you mean?
Just tell you that you come and just nag me, so stop nag me.
So why you leave the Lord?
Stop nag me, we can't even phone a peace.
So from the gun, I work. I have to sit down to you until you have a sin up and a be a certain way. Baby, me not like them style, man.
No.
If you tell me say you want to be sweet.
No, conjure me. Me say me tired. That's why me not full them up. I want
Babe, listen to this, just calm down. You don't have to get so loud. Just listen to that. You say you want a lace sweet, me make you get the lace sweet. You say you want a brand new clothes, me make you get it.
yes,
So why you can't sell me the yeah, woman, I'm a matter for me and my wife. Are you supposed to feel the maturity? Let me tell you a life of a woman, of a real wife I had. I may talk about this. Be you're supposed to feel wash my clothes, and you're supposed to feel cook good breakfast and dinner for me. You know do them best something be. If you machine then so the machine mash up. I may actually my best to fix it back. Matter of fact, cannot even you did a wash your clothes and me wash your clothes and me. Me have to carry my clothes and go to lunch, you know, from the machine mash up. And you can't do that, not even cook every day. Me come in and me have to buy food. If me go and get 6,000 from the man at the time, buy me come here 3,000 gone in a food. Look on that, come here for buy burger, Popeyes or box food. What me have left back? 1,3,000 what that can do. Pay what me fear go work or sometimes the general come pick
you know, so I feel like you style me.
Me not style me, but me push on my effort for you as a man. Me talk to you, know. That's how we left Green Island and say one day for up up there so make we not stay. So we are coming so and people can better. Because I love you and I'm telling you.
Let me tell you something. Me a hot girl, you hear that? Me a hot girl. A hot girl no cook. Hot girl no wash.
Really
hot
no
girl no clean.
Really no be
Here, I be a box food we live off of. I will go to do it here every week. And we need. Matter of fact, you not give me some money. You not give me some money. Look here. Look for me two of them. I want. You come up and talk about wash up plate and wash clothes and flop jug. Hey, let me tell you something now. And money me want right now.
I'm money you want, alright, see money, I buy burger, because burger is good for. I'm tired of this now, I'm tired of relationship, man. You come like say, me alone want to try to fix it. You don't want to try to fix it.
What are you? What you say? You're tired of this? So hold up. Ah? Me I want to go treat it bright. Rubbish. Can't say it. My little money and dash me your face.
Cuz,
What's on? A long time I not see you. No, sir.
oh God.
I wish breeze blow you here, so now.
You know say I walk this up on the road. I see somebody and I find out which part over here live. Because I must have come here a long time, but
You know
I
long
remember
that.
a place.
So, Green Island to go on. Come now, say up the way they live from when.
Cuz, I move, man.
You move?
Yeah.
So, which part you live now? Watch it.
I down here me there now.
Niggerly?
Yeah, nigga.
Lie they tell. So, you move and don't make me know.
Because of that, I try to show me busy up on the work and something, man. So I just get a chance to come and check you.
Oh, yeah, work, thank God.
Yeah, man. From my father and when I'm a virgin. Because you know, some family like the place. Like, when I'm a virgin, I do some like weed business. So pick weed and something. So most of the time in there, I had some time in there work.
Oh.
But, why? I'm going to show some little problem for my woman there.
Our woman?
He said one day, although you don't know her still, I'm live with
One may always tell me about what we never meet.
Yes.
Okay.
Why? Because she give me a hell. Like, me I wonder if she a cheat and me I wonder if she not do it. Me don't know which one of them for free. I don't mean I say cause like you see one of the day over Green Island, like she lazy. Like
then if somebody lazy that mean them a
no
cheat.
man, that's what me I say no man. Me have to, you see as me get my money, me have to spend my money for her. Me have to buy her
They
lace
love
wig.
you man because
No, cause that's what me I say no man. She no want wash, she no want cook, she no want clean. And that she my wife and me
then what me gonna do about that now? Why you go take up lazy woman? Then you teach her in the way you want her, broke her that the way there. If she lazy and you not lazy, tell her how to do this and do that. Cause maybe she not used to clean up place.
I tell her. That's why we move from up so I feel like say.
They know that can in a cheating. If you
No,
get lazy.
no, that's what I say. No,
understand.
that's what I say. Cause that's what I say, man. Me I get into the story.
Okay.
So me feel say I up this problem because they say when you're there in our community, you can't really strive from this where you really come from. You have to move from the community. So me I wonder if some corruption they up this of the relationship or fight against some come down here so now. We say me and see if we can fix up here right.
You can make you right as I know. The girl can make you and it can break you, but it make you if you use your so we God give you.
Why me I tell
And if you don't use your so we God give you, it break you.
From me I tell you the truth, cause from me and her come down here, it come like she get worse than how she did be.
What do you mean?
Every minute she tell me say she go up on the road to go catch breeze.
So,
When me gone to work, it come like say she not there yard. And me I wonder say how she fi come down here.
how long since you no move from down here? Maybe she find a little friend who she know for a long time.
I'm running a month and maybe a couple of weeks since today.
Maybe she meet some people, man. And that I don't know.
Meet
You don't want
people.
to talk to nobody.
And they're there yards every day. Me I tell you say a problem even yesterday a big argument me and her up there.
What's your name?
Star she name man.
Oh, Star. She
She my star.
You're a star. Alright, my cousin. Me like that, you know.
Cause
like
me tell you say, me just want things to be good with me and her. Cause we not on a good term and a big argument.
So now fight and then something.
So listen to my cousin. We fighting at the bedroom, but I'm not talking about that right now. We don't fight naturally.
So no good relationship that day.
Cause you know, say you come like you know listen to me. I said that me I try explain what me I go through. Cause you know understand.
You know what? Me shut me dirty mouth.
Cause nobody with
tell
that.
Me where you tell me say. Let me say me can understand.
Me tell her say she a deal with me grimy. Other day machine broke down, you know. And she not do that say alright, make she wash my clothes. My laundry me have to go on and then when me tell her about it, she give me attitude and I say if me can't keep up me go on. Just tell me no, you don't feel like say some man did, you don't feel like to find some man down here.
Just so.
And that me I try to tell her cause I'm a lover, you know.
She just come down here so she don't find a man so quick. You think say a man job?
That me I pray cause to tell her the truth.
Oh boy.
It confused my mind. Me I wonder if it goes so or it not go so.
You know,
because sometimes I come home she not did it. She said she a go catch breeze out her room cause inside her. You say might be a one friend, but she not tell me nothing say I no friend.
Alright, let me tell you something about Negril. Negril is not like Green Island, you know. Green Island is a nice place, but it's more boring. You know, Negril more, you know, adventurous and have more excitement and sightseeing and you know the 7 Long Mile beach and when people sitting from West End go straight up all about over the place. Maybe she'll find a friend and then I'll get her and a juggler sitting her over Alfred.
So yes, nobody thinking it.
Nobody thinks I know man she have so quick.
I work with you second.
So when you want to tell me say few woman have on crutches control so fast 1 month? No man. Watch her do. Just watch her and see what she up to. You don't have to go fight her and cuss her and lick her down. Because you don't know if a man she have. Me never say no man she have. I mean never say a man she have. Me say just watch first and kind of watch her and make she realize say you're the pre where she do. When you can prove things, then you stick up in. But do not learn to judge and assume. Because maybe you end up get the end of the shitty stick and then she gonna leave you gone to man when she ain't no man.
Cause me get what you're saying, you know. But me not say she a cheat, you know. But she not move like say she a wife. She a move like she's a side chick.
You not married?
No, me not married, but
she
soon.
Wife material or something?
Yeah, she not move like no wife material. She a move like some then like a loose girl out the road.
But sometimes even we woman judge man wrongfully. So you is the man, be the man, act like a man. Stand up like a man.
That me I do cause I mean if jug fi full up I me go deal with it. If any cooking fi do in the house so if any washing I mean.
You left from Green Island we have pipe in the air and come and nigger down pipe and then you're mad. We have mean go for water. So water like half up you know live. Everywhere nigger have pipe and water don't do it.
No, if it I see place around more wild water and did it and more wild water did it. So when you not did it me have to go out of the pipe, stand pipe to catch water.
I last part of nigger around. Anyway,
but right now,
you need to care her, bring her, come introduce her to me, and make me say me can friend her and talk to her. Because me see you love her, you know.
I love her because me I tell her man, when I did them, I carry her come.
I mean, I really want you to fall in love with somebody and then somebody that diss you behind your back. And me, as your big cousin, we always advise and they say, no go so, every time see me go so. So guess what? One at the time,
I'm over going to read with her about this or no.
Alright.
So me I got to call. No man, I'm general, I'm a boss man. We link here.
Alright,
good.
That's the best stuff.
Hello?
What a world. Me rocket, me pat a bun up. What's that?
How you do it? Just a rake up the place?
Me sit down and pull out.
So you know, see place something nasty be, you can't rake up the place. How you try to do?
I just, this me can't take with it. As I come in, ning in my ears. As I go and come in back again, ning. Leave me alone.
So if you just ask you one question, if you behave so aggressive, me ask you if you are rake up the place or if you can't rake up the place. So you behave so aggressive for?
Take up your rake up your sitting them. I come like say I must torment.
Yeah, watch it. I'm not really in an argument. Because me argue yesterday, I'm not depend on it today. That's just what I say. Over my cousin, I just come from.
Watch out. As you come, it's sun to mouth. What kind of cross is this?
That's just what I say. Over my cousin, I just come from. I'm not talking about a man. A woman me talk about. You see me? I'm going to give her a check. A long time, she don't see me, a long time, I don't see her. But a long time, I not tell her about you. And she never see it. So I wonder if I could have carry over there and make she go meet you. Because you know, say a family and my family, if you know my woman. You get me I say?
Somebody tell some more meet people.
Yeah, you know say you need to change your attitude them. So what happen? You make me meet your uncle, you make me meet your brother. So why if me make you meet my cousin or something?
Me think about it. I'm not even sure. I'm not even sure, but
I get you water for make your beard. Just rake up yourself, please.
Rake up where? You come like say I'm sick enough here. Excuse.
Say if you can rake up the place.
You use me and give you a hand back in a bow rake up this place. Me not rake up no place. Go rake up your yard. What nonsense.
Tired of the life, eh? Like she not push nothing for change neither.
I'm me a feel it down. You see me now after people me here like I'm me a feel it. Man.
You look like I say a win lot or something.
No, babes.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
right.
I'm tired still, but I'm good. I'm not talking about one good idea that is not coming really gambling, you know. And then say, if you're not gambling, you buy a lot of you win. And enough time, I go work and bird shit for me. Bird shit our babes.
32.
32. Jesus Christ.
Fichu.
Fichu.
Mm-hmm. 32.
I want to put days work, I'm going to do. I don't want to put days work. The money not enough still, but it's better than nothing.
So then pay the same time as that?
Mm-hmm. And pay me same time, man.
What?
I get money out there.
Okay.
As usual.
Mm-hmm.
So I go on your day, like you had a earth or something.
Made that hurt me. I in the kitchen too hot, man. You know, so I just cook some oxtail.
Huh?
I mean, I don't pressure cook. You sitting down with me, the gas done, you know, don't cook.
So you want to cook pan for wood fire and go look something for cook.
Maybe put oxtail pan my wood fire. So I'm to me can come.
I told you, you know, me have a sweet up and be a man, so by an idea,
I think you want me come pan your wood fire and chat about oxtail.
Left that till later, man. Left that till later. You see me? Right now, I'm favorite, that you know, oxtail.
You know, that's why I did a cookie but the gas.
No, that's second. Chicken mac and tin mackerel are my favorite. Yeah. So we are there now.
I don't know the gas finish, I mean, I have no money. Yes, you work.
So you want me to go use the money and get one gas?
Yes, I'm going to finish cook that because I'm hungry.
So what I'm going to do? Because I'm somebody now, I'm going to pay first or what?
When I don't go buy gas, I have something to say to you.
Alright.
Today, Raj come down here. My cousin only always tell about I used to live at, we did live at Green Island.
One big belly one.
Darren Kessel.
No, remember say you say you have one big belly cousin or something.
How long me tell her that? I see if you come over right now, you're that chat that is sitting in front of
Achoo.
No, like I
So
style, man.
you lose weight, you lose belly.
Him belly big but he use because be at girl in get. I ring with my cousin.
Oh God.
And you know shrink that they thing there.
Cheap, me no.
They say would me run him down.
Me no worry about
Me no
that.
business.
Fuck,
I'm a woman and me a talk about
Yeah, me nah listen. Me nah listen. But by now, where my deal with still? Where my deal? You alright?
Nothing kind of sound alright but not fully.
You sound alright, not fully. Oh, in a long time I not see you, so I just come check you.
He go and link me man and my little cousin for a long time but look like he one girl I used to tell about for a long time when he fall in love with from Asian days when he devil was a boy. I don't know if a problem the girl like give him or whatever. I don't know what go down but he looks stressed out and they say
Oh, like a girl, like him problem.
look so me
A young girl, young boy and a young
I
girl.
don't see her yet.
Oh, you don't know yet. But
Me tell him say I'm going to introduce the girl to me, wish me repeat it back and say, bring her come.
hey, you know, my granny always tell me, babes. My granny always tell me, say if you're 20, look one girl who are 25. Cause 5 years, somebody.
Oi. If you are 20, you feel like one woman who are 25.
When you might tell me that now, before me a relationship, before me about the love of my life.
So you can't chat about we are all woman and then we don't go look younger girl.
No, so. Me no mean like so, baby. Mean like, when you try to say, like female or male, in a relationship, try to look somebody who have experience with a female or male.
Experience different from age. I'm not going like I said, age is just a number. It is a blessing because no people now live for 60
No,
years.
me I said for your cousin or a young youth from your talk.
Young youth, but insensible.
Yeah, what me I said, me the girl when they don't look a young girl, because I'm a young girl nowadays, you know.
The way I'm talking, man, it sound like a girl, a
big woman.
big somebody like him. I don't know, really
I
girl.
know say people go through relationship problem. Maybe I need to burn him again. Maybe I can't just look out, then I live good or something. I for them think that, you know.
I don't know, yeah.
You have to make them come here for 1, 2 days and 3 days and see how me live and you will learn. Yeah, understand?
So you don't really want me to take my cousin woman care come here. I'm not just a friend,
No,
but I really should feel
me mean like your cousin and your girlfriend. Then come here and see how me live.
And when my cousin and me gone, what you do with the girl?
You know, okay.
Oh, okay.
Hey, you know, say you're corrupt, you know.
No, me no
But me
business.
can't think that.
Because cousin and cousin I say boil good soup and me no want my man there with my cousin woman. Okay.
Soup.
Cousin and cousin
Boy,
boil
I'm ashamed
good
to
soup.
talk, you know, when me young I boil soup, but me didn't really know what me I do. Brother Jesus against me when me young, me didn't know what me I do.
So family and man me have.
No say that, man. No say that, me mean when me young. You understand?
Like how much so?
Well, me no know, me remember about that.
Even if I did just go a long
Yeah, but me
time,
can't
and
continue.
I left
Yeah,
the
continue.
same way. Continue what me have to talk about it. Me have to talk about it. Me no cousin nothing.
Alright, know yourself.
What tax still have up? You buy the gas?
Me I go, yeah, but me I go be in a
Alright, be and go buy the gas. I'm gonna finish cook.
Yes,
Me hungry. Me hungry.
Jesus Christ.
Me hungry. I may get hungry by you.
Yes. No, if you never them see no car by me there, so talk to you, know. But I got 3 foot there, so you know.
I like. And just come in and
Look how me tell you about.
you wicked. You're too honey. Can't bother with you. Suppose me could do manager that kill me, huh? Maybe you want different position later.
I that me at that. You want me before me go buy the gas?
No, go be it by the gas and when me cook down, you know, do nothing to me and me hungry for me go drop down and
Me go buy food cooler and go buy the gas here.
your granny no used to tell us you not to do that for hungry belly?
Jesus Christ.
Okay.
Alright, babes.
Alright.
Go on, baby. You call me, you not get me any concern and ask me how we do me.
Look how long me I call you.
Then if you see me not answer, I must something wrong with me, you know.
From the night, you go hide and check me and go. Me not see you back again. So what?
Ask me where me I come from.
Where you coming
A
from?
doctor me I come from. Moment I got a doctor.
Where you got a doctor for?
Look there. You know say it's something not small but it's not so big. Me no carry both so. See me something big but it's not small. You see so far till they crawl up underneath me and you touchy babes.
Hey!
You touchy man.
Blood of Jesus again, so.
I far till they crawl babes whole of rain or fall the time cold. One look young far till they crawl up and bite me on the sudden.
So otherwise you come from a doctor, which part of the day?
You look good here when me go do me just go collect the money. You whole like me just go collect.
So give me money then.
Me can't give her 5 me must.
No, it come like I'm mad. It come like you want me load up whole like so right now. Give me whole like money, whole like more.
Calm down no man.
Hey, come like say must want me chat. No play with me.
Calm down no man, every minute calm down no man.
Whole light. Matter of fact, how much I work?
At 10,000 more.
Give me whole light.
So I'm touring on my next yard. Hold this man, hold this. Hey, you know say I want wicked side chick.
You know why you play with me.
You want wicked woman, you
Matter of
know.
fact, call me side chick one more time, you see what me do. Call me side chick one more
You
time.
know say I want wicked wife to be.
Oh, that not so bad.
Christ, boy. So you never give me 2 grand to buy medication?
I come at me, I go do something wrong, I'll go for her.
For your toughy. Hey, you know say no.
Me not trust you, no. Me don't trust you. No fatty leg no bite, I lie I tell.
So you know the current already, you know. And you know so no 220 current is, you know. A 120 current me carry, you know. So you make it look like a lie me I tell. You know see it? Rain a come, me can't bother. Me I go charge up my phone and call you. Here. Give me 1 2 grand, me go buy some medication.
I'm not getting no money. Alright, now test me.
When me get myself in a man, and when me get myself in a man, I go tell the woman, lie now, say boss no did the boss no pay me. Eh? Jesus Christ, this a girl come like every minute you want sex. Every minute. Jesus Christ, see, Father God, this a girl come like you want break me down before time. Eh? Me all have to tell lie about 40 leg bite me. Eh? Suppose me go home now and 40 leg bite me, come like me call it down for myself.
Let's say that now, my friend.
Bro, I just like me call it Jenna, man. Probably me not say that, bro.
Yeah, kill man, long time you. Me I tell you say, you know say, all peace I eat, weed what me start to do now too.
Like that, tell say you have money, man. Give me your money now. Are you rich stuff?
Man.
Are you rich stuff?
Yeah, easy, you know, change, you know.
That's
Right
okay.
now, I just see me there, you that smile. Me not happy inside. You. Me just try be happy outside, but me not happy inside.
What could I run with you?
Me hide my tears.
What want you? So it's not when you cultivate, are you not happy? You get black and the girl, they don't like you when you're black. They like brown cartel and brown puppy and that, not sure.
Yo, it's all me I say. See me woman, when me and her live so, when me and her move come down.
Yeah.
You see me? She not give me no vibes in her relationship. She come like we in one relationship, but we not in one.
Bro,
She lazy towards everything. She not wash, she not cook, she not clean. Nothing at all she not do. Pay attitude she a give me. She just want to live a high life. They want to say I buy her clothes every minute, week. And sometimes even ask her if it's sex not even more while like she not even want to do it. You. She make me a consider if she a cheat or she not do it. I tell you, I don't know which one to pray.
why? You know, so serious and here that goes on, bro. But alright, my advice. How long you on already?
Yo, if you tell her the truth, at 4 years me and her fine.
You love her?
You could have asked that.
She love you?
Yeah, she love me, but I don't know what she a be for you.
You sure she love you?
Me sure.
Bro, well,
But me just feel like say me love her more than how she love me.
nah, but tell no lie. That you do wrong. That you do wrong. Only somebody you will love more than they love you. Jesus. Don't make nobody else love you. That no bro. Because people can change, you know. Every day people get up on a different somebody, you know. But just the same like I'm there so long, I'm gonna live so long. That means some connection must be there. So
Yeah.
me I go tell us to do what on, bro. I'm gonna tell us to talk to her and try to work out it. If I'm gonna try to talk and nothing now go right, well, that's what go left.
I'm just something else to you. You know what I say? Me and her talk about this friend before we even move from here, so. Before we even move come here, so me and her talk about this from the location before here, so. And we one night time we feel like say I was up there so I hold it down and we come down here so we try be better off. I watch you know what say last night buck up condom paper. You see me? In a room so. Watch you know, if you want to move come down here in the night when they finish clean out the place properly. So me I wonder say if I that go on or me I wonder if I she that means I not even know if it pre.
You look on the sides. If I look on the side, I know you're not your side, so you know. But bro,
As me say me I wonder say if I just when we move come back when they clean out the place
watch
properly.
out. Give her a benefit I doubt, but having your head back. Yeah?
Yeah,
See,
man.
if you say that, then you can continue happen. Just know what to do, bro. Watch out now. I ask you a question, because I know you're a smart boy now. If you're in a hole, you'll keep on dig. Just go further down in the ground, or you'll come out of the hole.
Come on, guys.
Alright then, well, I know what to do, my bro. Yo.
No respect for
But yourself, you know, I link my baby. I'm my baby mother. I link a boy baby mother. You see what I say, bro?
What I mean by that?
I mean, bro. Me and my woman there, you know, all along. And my suspects are cheap on me. I do investigation and find out it's a real thing. So right now, I'm just a flirt and I enjoy my life, you know, my bro. Right now, this a game I play and I'm sure so I'm not lose. You hear me I say? Now big up yourself.
Oh, here.
Boss,
Hello.
Where come from?
I got shop go buy something but they never have what I want, so I come back.
You know, I don't understand. So you live here, I'm there when you live, and you not say nothing to me. Why?
You know, so this me I talk about At this me a talk about. I make us a nagging.
So you know me woman, me not supposed to know where you go.
Stop nag me. I can't buy this a relationship. You know, you just nag.
So you try if you know how to work on it, you tell me say you can't bother. Instead of if you work on the relationship, you tell me say you can't bother with it.
What is the problem?
Anyways, me have something
What
to
your
say.
problem?
This is not me answer. Me have something to say to you. You see a while ago, before my virgin come link me, me a clean out in my house. And I get to realize I'm find a condom paper. But I don't know if I when we did move come down here tonight, I'm not going to get to clean out in there properly. So, right now I'm not even know.
What you try to say?
I mean,
What you come over? I tell me say, I'm in the feeling.
I never said that I hear me, so I wonder if for the night, when I move from the night, I move come here and clean out the place.
No, yeah, no, excuse.
So I talk to you, I go. Me talk to you, you know.
Peering out there, no babes.
You know that you're no umbrella, you know?
No, come here, I know say you're not gonna fall and something. Wait up on TikTok or YouTube.
Instagram. How on?
I just heard me a try run. Fearing out with me.
The work where they tell me about you get here and then pay you?
I must have been the work already and money me go collect, you know. But the wicked boss no did it.
No one different work.
The wicked, me forget 10,000 a man no did. You know how long me did I wait for the man?
So you don't get no money?
No, me no get no money at all. 10,000 me forget me no get no money at all.
Oh,
Me have to go back out there again.
Trina did it, then you don't put a figure somebody.
And that me a saw his wife did it. All his wife asked me, so why me a wait? Because he want to lock in door. So me go out of the gate, he must say he want to lock in gate and the gate lock already. And me a wait for him to go 10,000, come give him 8,000 out of it. Me no get no money. Because I want money me have me use to buy gas. You understand? So what I want? Ah, matter of fact, me say babe, me a walk a come down because I no get the money if you take all one taxi. When me reach on the road and I'm bridging, me and him used to go to school. Me see man stress out like he want ball. So me I say, what am to you? He say man him bridging him a play one game when him shoot and dare. So then go dare him. And then one girl must have left go up and baby mother yard. But knock up you woman and I tell him say my side chick. And not go say another son good game, you know. Hey, me tell him say, my woman, fem woman I live with, I'll win a game. If a woman never come up here and talk about side chick, and me you wet him up, me know you.
So that concern you?
Because I'm a virgin and him tell me. Remember, so I'm a virgin and
So
him
you take it so personal like that?
because I idiot game that he come on man, let me give me finna run joke babes man. Let me game
They
that.
have one real name, so picture name shoot and there, but me not play.
Me not play them game there. Me not play them game there. You have to respect your woman and you have to be about shoot or dare. Father God man. So you name call like your cousin?
No sir. You know say me go come check me not fi call him back. Maybe more come check me man.
You hear true. Maybe I go gym too. Maybe I go gym. Me no mean nothing babes. Me no mean nothing. Me also maybe I
As you go said Jim, me realize we are wear out your good clothes in front the other day. Like you want judge in a yard and wear out. So I judge and wear.
No babes, I know say.
And you know, remember where they come from.
Me I go
Say
on
you
the
saw
road, you
one
know.
shall I go. You know what name so?
If me get the 10,000 right now, I'm gonna go buy two. I miss a chin shirt and for 1,000 and give
No,
me
you
1,000.
have as much clothes now, but me I tell you say you dey wear out the good one them.
True.
You can't do that. You
True.
remember where you come
True,
from.
babes.
Because remember
True.
when I did have
Take off
one,
it. Take off it.
you know, don't have the hand already. You got to go wash and sit. You must say mad.
True. Me now wear them out again, babes.
One shall I go, you did have one time. If you know what me mean when they say one shall I go. Now you have whole heap of the... You're alright, you know.
True, me baby. Alright, me I catch you quick ear out or so.
Alright.
That's good. You know what you know I'm take off it.
No, keep on
Me
up.
have to
Make
hear
you
what you
want
say
go
now.
this out neighbor, they pass how much woman live over there.
True.
You must see them, man.
Alright.
You
Now that's a here.
love show people things too much.
No, babe, I don't do that. That's why I'm wear brief, me not wear a pant, baby.
So you want to take off your clothes, you know, idiot. Take off your clothes just see me and me alone and only me, nobody else. Dead before the sun and around with me.
Yo, Pochi.
Yeah, hello. How this a come from now?
You know your woman name now, Pochi.
Girl, where you come from private number?
Where me now I call about private number for you see? Right now my woman in a problem.
So what are you to do with?
Because right now I want to move in with you. I want to come out of side chick position right now. I want to come in the wife role.
Girl, you know say we have a woman in a room, okay, and me know say you have a woman in a room.
Listen to me. You know your woman name. And member say me know how there. So this is it. You want me to come up there now?
Girl, you come like crazy. How you get a woman name?
Alright, don't worry.
Listen, me call me, I come check you. If I play with buying a gun or medication or me, I come check you here.
Listen to me, don't play with me here. Don't play with me.
Alright, come on, I'm going to check you.
Hey, idiot boy. Mr. Moy, you come check me now.
Girl, you're not here to be rude, me, I'm going to check you.
Hey, boy, don't play with me now. Because Mrs. Sarah, I'm coming for a long time now. Don't play with me. Come check me right now.
Girl, me, I'm going to check you. Look at me, alright.
Make a hurry up here.
Babe. Yeah, come from another one. Listen to me. You know me, alright? And we just want the best for you. I don't want yours. I'm gonna never want it over if you break up. I don't believe in that. And that's what I believe in. If a partner, love them partner, if things come up in a relationship, you know, some obstacles that come in there, we have to upstand them. We don't feel quick for life, we feel quick for fix it. You understand? So, we just want to fix things. You can't bother for where I live in life. Every day we are cussing, you don't like it. I remember me the day where I mentioned to you, said, why you don't meet me, because you think about it.
Yeah. We can't go out fair. But I don't like when you say nag this. I don't like you nagging.
Yeah, but I think nag if you make a change, because I'm not going to change it, that I try to.
No, if you nag me, I'm not going to change. What can go, so where you get that from?
Alright, we'll take things so I'm going to link my couple to me, I'm going to link my couple to me. For a long time when I go in my bedroom, it's a makeup sex, it's the best sex.
Alright, come on.
Like for the few the umbrella tiring, like in the morning we over here wait. And rain and cool. Alright, so my baby look like alright. Spin to me the baby.
Yeah. Where we are going? You sure? Where we are going?
Babe, come on in and I rain with it. Oh, but yes, I'm a cousin.
You sure say right? Yes, I go.
I'm not much now, my cousin is going to tell me come over here, baby.
Let me put me at you next time.
Sure, and we don't reach it already. Come on, babe, one thing, you know better want to go down there. Come on.
Nobody say I go.
Come on, babe. Cause I go on.
Yeah, you good?
Yeah, man. Yeah,
Gucci.
What you know my cousin name?
Remember say when we did make up for yard, they tell me say, yeah, we can't remember meet the cousin like Gucci.
Oh. Yeah, man.
I girl is say
Yeah, man, I'm wise, man. Because Meet my wife, Poochie, and Poochie.
Hello.
Meet my girlfriend. Her name
Hi.
Star. She's my star.
She look like a nice girl though.
Yeah, man.
Hi, nice to meet you. You can have a seat.
I know me, man.
You can sit down, man.
Because do everything, though.
Today, you know, I wonder how you promise me say you carry your woman for me. I know for how much days. You think you forgot?
No, I don't forget, man. I'm not one.
So, anyway, what things?
Things good, man.
Oh, you better now.
Things are coming, you know.
Okay. Alright, so. What's your woman name again?
Star.
Star. Okay, Star. You don't know some of my cousin, right? So from a long time the way you tell me about this Star. I know you're not getting a baby.
In process, man. Alive, baby. In process, right? In process.
She's like a honest girl though, and like a very nice girl. I mean, she don't give my cousin no bun. Anyway, she look like a one nice girl, man. Look like she don't give my cousin no bun.
Babe,
One, two.
I'm ready. Come on.
You know, if you rush, you go away, you know. You
Am I
can't
be
stay,
told she not
man.
eat nothing from her?
No, listen now.
Yeah,
You see this? No. You see my cousin? Eh? I love my cousin and he can eat anything in my house. I go introduce her to my man. When I love so much just like how my cousin
Yeah, man, a
love
long
you.
time I don't see him shout him up, man.
So your cousin-in-law, you don't want to meet your
Babe,
cousin-in-law?
man, come, give me a minute.
Babes!
A long time I don't see him. I come, baby, just come on. I come, man. Serious, I don't see him, man. Call him, man.
Babes!
Yeah.
Come here!
1 second, baby.
Alright.
Come in, baby.
Come let me introduce you to my cousin girlfriend.
General, take you, man. A long time I don't see you, know.
May I introduce you to my cousin girlfriend?
Boom! One code, one coloring book boss I represent the coloring book TV. And watch you see a movie in name Sidechick Drama. So watch I just want to tell the loyal fans them what coloring book TV. And maybe some people are tune into coloring book TV yet. Watch thanks for watch the movie. You get what me I say? So you can't just tell me one thing what good and what bad. But here what go on, it's strange to look at thing. What do you mean I street? When fans reach out to me and tell me say you're watching a coloring book boss. Yeah, one of my general pan thing, I say my son start tuning, and from my son start tuning, then his wife start tuning, and from his wife start tuning, then him as a father start tuning. Yo, I write down the text and everything in my phone, and bro, through my phone kind of give me a little problem, because I drop and I run up and down. I lose the information, but my father want to big up you yourself, will link me down in the town, buy me all the juice, and tell myself to big up you and your wife from Hanover side. So if I get this, my apology for not finding the text, I can call on you personal. So here what going on now. Big up all of my fans, them Coloring Book TV, and everybody in the movie, big up on yourself. One Coloring Book boss I represent for Coloring Book TV, man. How? Boom!